Next computer arithmetic is Booth algorithm. We already know about serial multiplier that requires one addition if we see a 1 bit in the multiplier. And in this case, the addition seems like the most expensive operation that we have to do. The shifting, for example, is not so expensive. It's not so heavy. And if we see a group of consecutive ones, a few ones comes together with no zero in between, Booth algorithm offers an improvement by lumping together a few addition into just one addition and one subtraction. How is this possible? It's due to this binary equation. If we have a group of ones like this, it is the same as a group of zeros, the same number of group of zeros like this, attached with a 1 in front. So we have over here 7 ones and also 7 zeros. We attach a 1. So this group of ones in binary is equal to this group of single 1 and the same number of zeros subtract with 1 minus 1. So how does this help? We look at the steps of Booth algorithm. First, we have to recode, not record, recode the group of ones. We recode the first one to become negative 1. The first one is the rightmost one, and we recode the 0 immediately to the left of that group with positive 1. And the rest of the ones in between negative 1 and positive 1, the rest of them become 0. And then we perform a similar process of addition of multiplicand shifted to align with the positive 1, just like what we did in serial multiplier, but now we do it on the recoded multiplier. And for the positive 1, we do addition. We perform subtraction of the shifted multiplicand if we see a negative 1 and we align to it. This is actually equivalent to addition with the multiplicands negative in 2's complements format. And of course, we repeat step 2 and 3, the core steps for all positive ones and negative ones that we see in the recoded multiplier. Let us look at one example. Let's say we are multiplying 21 with 14. The multiplier is 14, and if we convert to binary, we can see a group of 3 ones over here in 14. So according to Booth algorithm, this group of ones has to be recoded to something. The first one in the group, the most LSB one in the group, become negative 1. And the 0 that comes immediately after the group becomes positive 1. We do addition at positive 1, we do subtraction at negative 1, which actually equivalent to adding 2's complement negative of the multiplicand. So in this case, we only do one subtraction and one addition. Subtraction is the addition of negative 21 in 2's complement format, and addition with 21 is just a normal addition with 21, but of course we align the addition and the subtraction also the same, and then we should get the answer. However, Booth algorithm, which is supposed to improve serial multiplication, will reduce to worse than the algorithm that is supposed to improve if we see an alternate pattern of ones and zero in the multiplier. For example, if we are multiplying with 21, we actually reverse the problem in the slide before. Instead of multiplying 21 with 14, now we are multiplying 14 with 21. 21 is having a pattern of alternate 1 and 0 in binary pattern. So this is what we get when we do the recoding of multiplier 21. So we add negative 2's complement, and then we add positive 2's complement, negative again, positive again. So the number of addition now becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where we're supposed to do only 1, 2, 3 addition in the original serial multiplier. So in this case, Boost algorithm actually is making it worse. How do we solve this? We solve this using another algorithm. It's called modified Boost algorithm, which actually add more work to the algorithm by modifying it or adding one more step, that if we see negative 1 and positive 1 next to each other, this pair of 2 will become only 1 positive 1. This labeling is wrong. This is supposed to be 14 and this is supposed to be 21. In original Boost algorithm, this is what we get after recoding. But in modified Boost algorithm, if we see negative 1 and positive 1 next to each other like this, we combine them to become positive 1. And this positive 1 is aligned with the original positive 1 in the one before recoding into Boost algorithm. It's like we revert to the original serial multiplication. So when we see a positive 1 here, actually we are looking at this 1. So we add multiplicand aligned with that 1. And so on. Basically, they are all alternating negative 1 and positive 1 in this case. So by modified Boost algorithm, we actually reverting to the original multiplier. So we get the right answer.